Ever wondered what that small thing hanging at the back of your throat is? It's an intriguing little organ nestled at the rear of your oral cavity called the uvula. This tiny appendage plays a surprisingly significant role in our everyday functions. This tiny organ known as the uvula is far more crucial to our daily life than one might think. The uvula, a Latin word meaning little grape, is not just a dangling decoration in your mouth. This tiny bell-shaped organ is a vital part of our oral system. It plays a dual role in aiding speech and swallowing. Acting like a gatekeeper, it prevents food from entering the nasal passage during swallowing. Fascinatingly, it also contributes to our unique human speech, assisting in the production of certain sounds. Without the uvula, you might find yourself sounding a bit different or maybe even choking on your food. Did you know that the uvula is unique to humans? Fascinating, isn't it? This fleshy little pendulum at the back of our throats serves a variety of functions, from aiding in speech to protecting our bodies from harmful bacteria. And it doesn't stop there. In some tribes, uvula painting is a cultural practice. That's right, the humble uvula even has a place in the world of art. So, the next time you yawn, remember that the uvula is not just hanging there but doing its job. But what happens if the uvula is removed, or if its position changes? Well, if the uvula is surgically removed, a procedure known as uvulectomy, it could potentially affect your speech and swallowing. On the other hand, an elongated or swollen uvula could be a sign of certain pathologies, such as sleep apnea or throat infections. So while it may seem insignificant, any change in the uvula's position or size could be an indication of underlying health issues. Though it may be small, the uvula plays a significant role in our health and well-being. So next time you come across the word uvula, remember, it's not just a small thing hanging in your throat. It's a fascinating structure with a significant role in speech, swallowing, and immunity, and it's brimming with interesting facts. The uvula, small but mighty, proves that even the tiniest parts of our body have big jobs to do. Let's explore further the implications of a deviated uvula. Perhaps you didn't realize that when the uvula deviates, it could be a sign of neurological issues. This tiny organ can provide us with profound insights into our health. As for its role in the immune system, the uvula is integral. It serves as a sanctuary for cells that generate antibodies, acting as the vanguard against harmful pathogens. Within the uvula we find a variety of cells, a considerable supply of serous and mucus glands, along with lymphatic tissues. This makes the uvula a key participant in preserving oral and throat moisture, and also a substantial contributor to our immune response. Here's a supplementary fun fact about the uvula. It is also a vital organ involved in snoring and sleep apnea. Now you may wonder what happens when the uvula is surgically removed. This procedure, known as uvulopalatopharyngoplasty, is typically indicated in cases of chronic snoring, sleep apnea, or recurrent tonsillitis. Following removal, some people may experience changes in their voice or condition called nasal regurgitation, where liquids may come out of the nose during swallowing. The uvula, a small organ with a big role, continues to astound us with its complexity. This indeed underscores the importance of every single part of our body, no matter the size, in maintaining our overall health and well-being.